So now let's see the problem set 25. See what is the question. Measure the angle given below and write the measure in the given boxes. Okay, so here angles are given. Now by using protractor we have to find how much is the measurement of that given angle. So now see the first example. So for that we have to use the protractor. Now keep the center on point, this angle point. Okay, and that baseline also keep on that angle line. Okay, now count from 0. See, and the where is the another line of the angle? Everyone see where is that dark line? Here. So count from 0. See here on that 40 only, no? Yes, observe it carefully. So this line is coming towards to 40. So how much is the angle of the given, how much is the measurement of given angle is 40 degree. Understood everyone? See again one I am going to repeat it. So protractor you have to keep on that point, that baseline have to touch this given line, and you have to find where on which number this line is there, on which number this point will come. Okay, that you have to find. See again one time I am going to keeping this protractor, this center of the protractor, center of the protractor keep on a angle point, and this line black line is there, no, this line keep on this angle baseline only. ओके, ये लाइन को टच करके रखना है. सो नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू कीप दिस सेंटर of the protector on a angle point and find where is the another arm of the angle, where is the another arm of the angle towards to 40 degree, towards to 40, because 0 we are counting from this side. Where is that baseline towards to this 0? So after 0, 10, 20, 30, 40. Yes, so how much is the angle of the given angle measurement is 40 degree. Understood everyone? So it is a 40 degree. Now see the second one. Now for that we have to keep the protractor properly. Now see the second one, how to keep the protractor. Yes, so here is the angle point. So on that we have to keep the center. So on that we have to keep the center. But now baseline. So this line we have to touch to baseline of the protractor. Yes, this line we have to touch to baseline of the protractor. Where is the baseline of the protractor? This black line. So keep the center on that point and keep the baseline in this way. Understood everyone? So see here properly. So this is the line base, this is the one arm of the angle. So on that I am keeping the baseline of the protractor, and this point of angle, on that point only we have to keep the center. So now see here we have to find out the measurement of the angle. Now where is that baseline, in which direction? So see here in this direction. As this baseline is towards this direction, we have to start counting the 0 from this side. We have to count the number from this side. So where is the 0? To the outer side. Yes. So 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110. And where is the angle? See the another arm of the angle. Where is? See, we here for understanding, we here I am giving the point. Yes, so this is the another arm of the angle, no? So how, what will come here? So see the upper side number we have to measure. Here is 110, sorry, here is 110 and here is 120. In between that the angle arm is there, in between that point is there. So what will come? So how many lines are here? So this bigger line is means what? 5. So 110 and 120, in between that 5 lines means what it is? 115. Yes or no? So what it is? 115. See here again I am going to explain you. So this baseline, see where is the point. So how much is the measurement of the given angle is 115. 115 degree. So it is a 115 degree. Now see the third one. So see the third one. So here is the center, here is the point of angle. So on that we have to keep the center of the protector on that, and here is that one arm of the angle, and that on that we have to keep the baseline of the protector. So see, in this way you have to keep the protector on that angle. Understood everyone? See, so this is the baseline. So here is the center of the angle, and this is the another arm of the angle. So on which number it is there? See, 90. On which number it is? 90. So how much is the measurement of the given angle is? 90 degree. Understood everyone? So how much it is? 90 degree. Okay. Now next is one. See the next one. Next angle. So here is the point of a angle, and this is the one arm of the angle. So now center of the protector we have to keep on that point. Center of the protector we have to keep on that point, and baseline on arm of the angle. In this position we have to keep the protector. So this one arm of the angle we have to keep on a baseline, and center we have to keep on a point of a angle. Now see, where is the another arm of the angle? Another arm of the angle is here. Okay, another arm of the angle is here. So here I make the point. So now we have to count the numbers. As this arm of the angle is to this direction, start from 0. Where is the 0? Downside. So 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80 is here. 90 is there. And in between that we have the arm of the angle. In between 80 and 90 have the arm of the angle. In between where it is? On that dark line, that is 5 line. Okay. So after 85 lines means what? 85. So after 85 lines means what? 85. So how much is the measurement of this given angle is? 85 degree. Understood everyone? So in your textbook only, this problem set you have to solve in your textbook, not in your book or not in your CW. So in textbook only, by using protector you have to find out the measurement of the given angle. Understood everyone? Okay. So this is all about the today's parts. So in next period we will see how to draw the angle by using protector. How to draw the angle. So for that you need the protector. So everyone purchase that protector who not have. So bring it from a stationery shop. So they have the set only, that a construction set. Again in for the next lesson you need compass also. Okay, you need compass also. So now for this problem set, and next problem set is based on this protector only. Without protector you unable to draw the angle. So for drawing angle you need the protector only. Understood everyone? So everyone purchase this and complete this problem set in textbook only, and you have to do the practice of tables. Every day learn and write 2 to 20 tables in your book, and that is the homework for you. Understood everyone? Okay, thank you.